issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hunt County in north-central Texas, northwestern Hopkins County in north-central Texas, Delta County in north-central Texas, southwestern Lamar County in north-central Texas, southeastern Fannin County in north-central Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dodge City to Greenville Club Lake, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Paris, Sulphur Springs, Commerce, Cooper, Honey Grove, Wall City, Cumbie, Roxton, Campbell, Lake Creek, Cooper Lake, Lake Cubans, Big Creek Lake, Greenville Club Lake, Cooper Lake State Park, Lake Sulphur Springs, Klondike, Sumner, and Greenville City Lakes. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 94 and 120. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure.